Alright guys, so we're going to take off the tailgate and kind of disassemble it, okay? Including the step that comes out right here. Okay, so this process is pretty much the same, regardless if you have the step or not. The internals in here are a little bit different, but it's pretty much the same process. You're gonna need a T40 if you have the step for the bottom here, and a T25 for the actual little cover that sits on here. Okay, you don't have to remove anything here or there or there. These just come right off with the little screwdriver. Okay. So now all the screws are done. This just comes right off. If you do have some kind of a line or something, you do have to kind of wiggle it off some. And I don't recommend spraying it with a liner. Do it separately. Just cover up some of those internals also. Okay, so if you don't have this step bar here that opens up, you can use just through here. Just it'll have little holes here. You can actually reach the bolts to remove, and then this latch will come right off. If you have it, you can also just remove it. And then you don't need to you can actually do it through here also. This is the one you remove. And these in the middle are 10 millimeter. Alright, so these here are the T40s. This is only if you have the step, because the steps have little like legs that go out to the back and it bolts onto the very bottom of these on each side. Alright, so on here you have a T40 on each side on top. Come on. And on the bottom, you guessed it, a 10 millimeter. And that's on both sides, right? T40 and 10 millimeter. So these are the 10 millimeter, and the back of it is kind of like cone shaped. But so now that everything's off, this whole thing just pops right out. Alright, so these clips just come off just like that. So as long as they move forward and you pop them out, it comes right out. It's easier with two hands. And you do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now the tailgate is ready to come off except for the plug. There's a plug underneath that plugs into these lights and sensors, and that needs to be removed. So it's right underneath here. Alright, so this is a tailgate bumper, and you can see coming from the back of the tailgate back here. See, this goes from the tailgate. You can see this plug right here. Just unplug this here. I'm gonna have to use two hands, but unplug this and then slide this out so it doesn't get stuck. Alright, so unplugged. Again, just pushing this part here pretty hard in. Okay, push this really hard in and pull it off from here. It should just all slide out here. Alright, so you see the hinge here? See how it leaves a little gap if you hold it right there? That's where it needs to be, kind of like at a 45-degree angle for this to just pop right out. Just pick it right up. comes out, you're gonna push it that way. There it is. The whole thing comes right out. So with time, the spring that kind of pops the whole thing up kind of gets a little pushed in some. So you pop this thing out with a little screwdriver here on the side, just pop it out like this. They both look the same. Here. This one goes right like this. Right? So all you're doing is pushing both sides out a little bit with the screwdriver and just pops right out. Inside it is a spring, right? The spring is what kind of helps it push out, but sometimes it gets, a little pushed too far in, so you just want to kind of nudge it out some, loosen it back up, then pull the whole thing out a little bit and put the clip back on it. Okay, and that should give it a little more bounce. I already did it on this side. Actually, this side bouncing really good. Try to put the weight back in there, make sure it goes all the way in. Okay, so this one you kind of have to hold it on the inside, in the little cone. I had taken this little it's like a plastic protector here. I had taken it off, and it just has two little clips, one on each side here, like those. These. Just gotta make sure these go back in. Alright guys, so that's it. Everything is nice and tight. I did go back and torque down all these, the T40s, just to make sure everything's nice and tight. So if you're wondering if you can add this step to a regular truck, to like a regular tailgate like XL or XLT, or even a Lariat that doesn't have the tailgate also, the tailgate step, the internals are a little different. This part right here, this one has a little more space in here to hold mostly this. The actual space that holds the actual legs of the step are, the gap is there in every tailgate, but it's just this middle section is a little different. The other ones I think is a little higher up and doesn't have that hole. So it's probably something you have to buy the whole tailgate, not just the step itself. Okay. Don't forget to plug it in on the bottom also. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Nice, good little bump out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out some of these other videos that I got.